Welcome to BBC School Report. I'm Izzy.
I'm Harvey.
I'm Beth and we are your reporters.
All around our country, many people have been in turmoil over the newly created Beware of the Jews sign that has been pitched just yards away from a London synagogue. Frank Alice is a zealous artist who creates amazing pieces of artwork based on trick photography, but his latest piece has angered a few Jewish citizens around Stamford Hill, a Jewish nation in London, with the sign appearing to say, "Beware of the Jews."
Artist Frank Alice was not intending for his new creation of an Orthodox Jew to be offensive or appear as racist. It was intentionally a project about people crossing, and as it's mainly a Jewish nation, he pictured a Jew as an attempt of not being racist, but it's quite the opposite, it being seen as racist play.
Local MPs state that the sign in Stamford Hill, North London, is despicable and unacceptable. The artist then also apologised when accused of being racist. Rabbi Herschel Gluck, president of Shomrim, told the Press Association, "I'm very pleased that he has apologised, but rather surprised at his lack of sensitivity and knowledge that a sign like this could prove to be offensive."
Labour's MP for Tottenham, David Lammy, said the incident amounted to be despicable, nasty behaviour. There's absolutely no place in our community.
After the artist had actually replied, people were still shocked at this abominable artwork, but are beginning to settle down.
The sign, which was situated on a lamppost, has been removed by Hackney Council. This happened on Tuesday the 14th of March 2017.
Most people are now accepting Alice's apology and are now continuing normally. Some are struggling to accept but are moving on.
Thank you for listening.
Please now listen to our local news.
Former tube driver David Litton, 67, was found dead on Saddleworth Moor, December 12, 2015.
Litton, originally from Streatham, had travelled 200 miles from London to travel to Saddleworth Moor, near Oldham. The man was found dead with no form of ID. His only belongings were 3 train tickets, an empty medicine bottle and £310 worth of £10 notes.
His tickets were a single Ealing Broadway to central London and a return London terminals to Manchester stations. The police investigating are confused as to why he has returned tickets.
David was last seen by the landlord of a pub who asked him for directions to the mountains. I told him there's not enough daylight for him to get there and back today. He just thanked me and asked me again for directions, which I repeated to him, and he just set off. His wife stated that she had had a miscarriage when interviewed.
On that day, he was seen on CCTV cameras arriving in Manchester at 12:07, having caught the 10 o'clock train from Euston.
Curiously, the man was lying parallel to the path and had his arms crossed over his chest. The cyclist who found him said he had consciously sat down and put his legs toward the ground and head straight up. He was dressed too formal for the moor.
The police found that he died of strychnine poisoning and suspect he committed suicide.